Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. If you would like to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. To complete this style, you would need hairspray and bobby pins. You also need a comb. We're going to start with Selena's hair by sectioning off the crown away from the rest of the hair. And it should look something like this. And now we're just going to tease all the hair in that crown area, concentrating on the very roots, because we're going to end up smoothing it out anyway, and we're just trying to get as much lift as possible. And when you do a section, I'd say maybe an inch to an inch and a half, you combine the section next to it so it won't have any splits. As you can see, as I go further up the head, I lift the section of hair higher because I want more lift at the front than I do in the middle or the bottom. Now here is the completed teasing at the crown and what it should look like once you're done. And now I'm going to take the side of the comb and kind of like just smooth it over, not combing through the hair, but just kind of like coaxing it into place. And you have to look at it from the front to make sure your shape is right. The front, the sides, and the back, just to make sure everything is nice and balanced. Okay, now once I've completed the teasing and the shaping, I'm going to go ahead and pin the bottom of the teasing and secure it with a bobby pin. And once you've completed that, give the head a quick run through to look and see if everything's nice and balanced. And I'm looking here Now see, this side is kind of droopy, so I'm going to go ahead on and try to lift that section to try to get the lift that I need in order for the overall shape to be what I want it to be. Now that looks much better. And now working on the sides, I think I'm going to have to divide the side from the bottom to make it a little bit more easier to manage and get enough lift at the nape in order to get the shape that I'm looking for. And now I'm just going to secure those pieces with bobby pins. I'm going to do the same thing for the nape, but I think I'm going to lift it a little bit higher because this is the shape I want to create. Hey, are you still there? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would be much appreciated. And once you've completed that, this is what your side should look like. Okay, what you're going to see now is me trying to struggle to get this whole entire piece to go into the back, just like I saw the guy in the video. And we're gonna watch that for a second. Okay, it's here where I decide to divide the head into 3 pieces. You can see here the side, the middle, and the nape. And I'm going to try to secure it in the back. And you can see what I do, and maybe you can try that as well. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of hairspray and spray down those flyaway ends so it can look a little bit more polished. Once I've done that, this is what the result will be. Okay, I'm going to spray the bang and then I'm going to curl it to get a nice little swoop so that I can add it into the rest of the updo. Okay, right here I'm going to try to secure it with a bobby pin, and ultimately I'm going to just spray it with hairspray and remove the bobby pin because it didn't look very nice. And this is the part where I discovered that the hairspray could be used almost as if a glue. So I didn't have any peeking out bobby pins. And that's how I got it to stay into place. Just to recap, I'm going to separate the hair from the crown. I'm going to tease the crown. And now it should look like so. I'm going to lightly skim the top of the tease in order to get the shape correct. I'm going to pin it into place. And that should look like so. On one side, I'm going to separate the side from the nape and secure each independently of each other. And that's going to look like so. On the other, much larger side, I'm going to divide it into 3 pieces. And I'm going to tuck and pin those sections into place. I'm finally going to secure everything into place with hairspray. And here's the completed look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.